terms of for kegs, we name festival, but we call it kegs in Jamaica. I have some self-rising flour. I don't have to put no baking powder, no salt. All right, natural kneading. All right. First and foremost, I'm gonna get started. All right. I'm gonna use. I'm gonna just look tip a little caramel just to give a little. You know what I mean? All right. I'm gonna move all this. I'm gonna have some chocolate tea as well. All right. And I'm gonna get this out of the way. Over here. Okay, I'm gonna float my thing here. This morning I'm gonna use what I'm gonna use to knead the flour. It's some sugar and water. Add some sugar, some water. Knead the flour with it, alright? I'm just gonna tip a little cornmeal inside of it. Just to get just a little mild taste. You know what I mean? I don't need no salt and I don't need no baking powder. Alright? There are many ways to do it, you know. You can use butter in the flour if you need the flour. You give it a soft, mild, you know. You give it a soft, mild taste. As well, you can use milk and knead the flour. But I'm using sugar and water this morning. Different style. Give it a different thing, you know. I'm gonna use cold water to knead the flour. I have to get it soft enough. That means when it's fried dumplings, soft and mild. You know what I mean, people? As usual, we use the room temperature water first to mix out the sugar. Then we add the cold water to it. Alright? Okay, I'm gonna get some water from the fridge. Add to it. Yeah. I wanna give it a little sweetening taste, I gotta taste it. Need a little bit more sugar. Give it that sweet taste like. Please join the live, please. While you're at it, while you're joining the live, please thumbs up, please. Please leave a comment. Please interact with me. Thumbs up, please. And tell me where you're watching from. Alright. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get my flour knead up with this cold water here. I already washed my hand already. I know some of you guys might be saying, no washing hand have you in the floor. I don't wash my hand already. Okay. Alright. This is it. Make it soft as possible. It give you a nice texture. Please join the live, please and thanks. This morning, nice breakfast. Some callaloo with some festival, you know. Nice. Yes, my people. Please join the live, please and thanks. Thumbs up as they come. Please. It's supposed to need it now. Big up to everyone on the live who joined the live. Big up to everyone who come on. Good morning to you all. A pleasant good morning to you guys. Normally, you can knead it that soft. That's when it finish kneaded. You can use some flour, some dry flour, sprinkle on your board, and just each time you're making the festival, just rub it in it, and you make it well soft. You give it that softness what you need, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little bit soft. Please join the live, please and thanks. You see it look? And make a little bit soft. Yeah, it feels like this. Need a little bit more, You have to smart, you know. You have to understand it, you know. You don't want to do it too much and spoil the flour. You know what people? We throw more flour to it. Yeah, see it? Yeah, like this. You know the flour is soft. Join the live, please. Come on, people, this morning. Rainy morning also. So I just decided to get up and look about some breakfast. So, as I tell you, some fry festival with callaloo. And the callaloo is from my backyard. We cultivate it. Alright? Pretty nice callaloo. Soft. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this flour. Put a tip a little more here, it's okay. I'm gonna cover this flour here. Press it in the fridge a little while. And then get back to it. Okay. Alright, meanwhile that's setting in the fridge. I'm gonna get my hand washed off. I'll get my hand washed off and clean up my side here. Please join the live, please and thanks. Okay. Put put the flour in the fridge, make it go on. Keep cool. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get my seasoning cut up and get them washed off and get them cut up. Okay. Alright. Sorry about the noise, people. Alright, first and foremost, I'm going to start with my pepper. Get the seasoning up for the callaloo. Yeah. This pepper, man, I thought this pepper is going to be more spicy. No, not. Using all of it, guys, it is not hot. Alright, you go inside there. It's my bell pepper. Everything we use bell pepper into, you know, I give the food a flavor, people. Understand? Please thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. Join the live, please. This morning is a nice morning for you to join the live. Yeah, it's a rainy morning. All who's on the live, rain in your community. You having rain too? Yeah, some garlic as well. We're going to cook without garlic. We like garlic, you know. Garlic is a medicine to your food, you know, like an antibiotic. Most people don't know that, you know, so garlic is antibiotic. Kill all bacteria in your body. If you can eat a peck of garlic a morning time, that's very good for you. Don't eat too much because it will lower your blood sugar. But it is very good. Potent, you know. Please join the live. Please join the live. Thumbs up. This man I'm frying some festival with some callaloo, right? Make some chocolate tea. That is for my breakfast. Please join the live, alright? Okay. Alright. Get in there, you know. I will lick up this scallion here. Let's in as well. You know that when rain is falling, I need food in the tummy, you know. Getting a lot of rain from Monday. From Monday evening getting rain until now. Yeah, a lot of rain. Please join the live, please, and thanks. Okay. Please thumbs up on the live. Alright, I'm gonna get this I need this board to work with. Alright, I'm gonna put all these seasoning in this little container here. Because I need the board to use to cut up the callaloo. Okay. Man, this onion is so potent. Burning my eye, people. Very good thing for you. Alright. Put this away for a while. Let this bowl set up again. Alright, now most people I'm not accuse anybody, but how me do my callaloo now, me get it, I wash it off in salt water, and then I strip it, and then I cut it up. You understand? Yeah. Sometimes some little worms on it, but this is a fresh callaloo still, as I can see. Fresh callaloo. Nice. I'm gonna put it in salt water and get it washed off and cut up, alright? Strip and cut up. This is my salt I'm gonna use to wash it off. Here it is. Yeah, okay. Wash them one by one stock. That means I don't counter with no farmer worms or anything like that, you know. Although I don't think any worm is on it, no, because it's rainy season and the worm don't afraid of rain. You connect the phone? I hear you. Yes, people. Please join the live, please and thanks. I'm getting my callaloo washed off. Please jump on the live, please and thanks. My callaloo washed off in some salt water. before I strip it. And then I'm gonna cut it up. Please join the live. Please and thank you. Come my beautiful people, come my beautiful people, join the live, please. It's a rainy morning in Georgia. I'm gonna wipe them. These callaloo are so pretty, lovely. Where about it? You know what it's for. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna strip back this callaloo now. Gonna get it stripped and get it to cut up. That's how we do it. Roll it like this and cut it like this and go like this. See it, people? Yeah. I get it stripped off. More people maybe cook it like this, they just cut it up and cook it, but I have to strip it. I growing up this way, like cut it. I see my mom do this, my father do this. So we growing up doing this. Get it stripped. Any bad leaves or anything like that, they cut it off. Okay. Check it thoroughly. Look on the leaf, them need a worm, anything, before you put it back in your container to cut up. Right. Just like that, my people. Just like that. These colors are soft and fresh. Please join the live. The thing charging? Please support the live, people. Please and thanks. Please support the live. I'm trying. Okay. I know it's gonna be nice. Yeah. You have to check the leaf them thoroughly, you know. Sometimes work itch up in the leaves, I mean, I don't want to eat no worm, you know. Yeah. Join the live, please. Come and join the live. Please thumbs up on the live, please and thanks. And tell me where you're joining from, please and thanks. Okay. That's what you need to have to check, because you don't want to cut up in a worm and all those a vitamin, then it says that protein, but I don't want that. Reason being them strip off these things after the calories because it make it cook more fine and soft, you know. It's like an outer layer on it. You take off of the chunk. Yeah. Please join the live, please and thanks. Support the live, people. Support the live. This is nobody. Yeah, we'll switch it back to our video. Join the live, my people. Join the live. Join the live. You don't know a thing, come on. Your boy All Purpose Kitchen out here. Trying to do something. I'm trying to accumulate 1,000 subscriber people. Please and thanks. Help me do it. Without you, I can't do it. So please join the live. Please and thanks. And please subscribe. Please thumbs up the video. Tell me where you're watching from. Leave a comment. Share your friends and family. Touch the notification bell. And I'll upload another video you first get it. Alright. Please and thanks. Okay. Well, fueling. I will get my flour knead up already. Put it in the fridge. Make it keep moist. Seems like everybody gone to work this morning. Nobody on the live with me. Join the live, join the live, join the live. Talk with me now, my people. Talk with me now, man. Talk with me, man. I'm here to communicate with you guys. Speak with me. Say something on the live. Okay. That's about it. Yep. Alright. See it? So much thing we get off of it. Check it out. See it, people? So much thing we get off of it. Okay. vomit up the table and get it and wipe off. Okay. All right. That is it. I'm gonna get my callaloo cut up now. I already wash them in salt water, strip them and everything. And just get them cut up. To get them to steam. Okay. This callaloo is soft. Nice. I'm gonna get this in a container. Okay. How many of you guys eat callaloo? Maybe you have a different name in a different country, but we know it as callaloo. Very good for you. Join the live, please and thanks. Okay. Please join the live. Please thumbs up the live. Da 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 da. Come my beautiful people, man. All purpose kitchen at it again, you know. That is it. I feel like I start these and get it cut up too. Yes, my people, this is it. This is it. Oh. I am making, I'm doing festival, fried, like fried dumpling, but they call it festival. We call it cakes in Jamaica, but we're doing festival on callaloo this morning with some chocolate tea. I know you guys love, I know most of you guys love this type of meal. Nice chocolate tea, festival. This is my season for my callaloo. I already cut it up already. And I already need the flour already. I use sugar and water. I use sugar and water, you know, to mix the flour. And it's a self-rising flour, so I don't need to add salt or baking powder in it. All right. So I just mix it. But when you do this type of thing, you have to make the flour very soft. That's when you fry it, it gives it a nice mild taste. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna get my pot on the fire with the oil and then start to make the festival to get in it. Alright? Yeah. This is it. Turn on the stove, let the water dry out of it, and get everything up. And this is my teapot as well. This is gonna be some chocolate tea. I'm gonna just it's normally we use the original chocolate we get from Jamaica and use we're just gonna use this one, this one. Alright. Man. Okay. I'm gonna reach for my flour inside this fridge here. Alright, so this is my flour here. Alright. This is I need something to okay. Please thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. Okay. Alright. Please thumbs up the live. This is a nice breakfast, this man, I'm telling you. Yeah, if you guys know callaloo, you know callaloo is a nice grung provision. Nice vegetable. Good for your blood, you know. They give you a lot of blood. Yeah. Keep your blood pumping. Alright? So please, thumbs up the live while I come. Alright? Thank you. Yeah. Come on, my family, my friends, my oh man, get on the live. Get on the live. And look what Albert was doing. Okay? I'm getting some oil in the pot. Okay. This is to fry my cakes. Okay. Look at this. Soft. Nice. We made it like this, like, you know, not too big. Then give it a little more. And then put it in the cold oil. A better fry, you know, people. Yeah. Join the live, please and thanks. Please and thanks. Join the live. Nice breakfast this morning, man. Nice breakfast. Them type of food, yeah. Like the greens, you have to eat them things, you know what I mean, people? Greens good for eat, man. Still too high. Okay. This side of the stove is very high. I have to keep checking it out. Anyway. Nice. Join the live, my people. Join the live, man. Join the live, man. Join the live, man. Come on the live, people. Cause I'm doing some nice breakfast this morning. Some steamed callaloo with some nice festival, alright? Soft and mild. Yeah. So please join the live. Okay? And thumbs up. Alright? Mm. Wow. Get me on inside of the pot. I'm frying dumpling festival with some steamed callaloo. Okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Miss Esther. Good morning, how you doing? Wow. Look at this, my people. Beautiful golden brown, eh? Well soaked, the fat just run through it like that. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Man, man. Look at this. Oh my God. Mouth watering. Mm-hmm. Please join the live. Please and thanks. Alright? Please thumbs up the live. Please and thanks. Mm-hmm. That one burst. Please join up the live. Please join up the live. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. Man, this one too hard. Too much. Damn. I leave it to burn. I turn on the stove. I didn't. Damn. The stove is too high. And this one. A lot of dumpling is here, man. A lot is here, bro. Do the thing, do the thing, do the thing, make you do the thing. Fry the dumpling, make you fry the dumpling. Man, dumpling brown, people. Brown, golden brown. Alright. I'm finished frying dumpling. I'm gonna get my seasoning inside this pot here for my callaloo. Okay. Wow. Yes, my people. This is my dumpling. Look at it. Beautiful, eh? This, black pepper here, here, all type of seasoning here. Alright, first and foremost, I'm gonna put the garlic powder first, see? That's it. You know the seasoning. Get this in the pot and stir it. I'm gonna put some complete seasoning as well. There you go. This is for the callaloo. This is some black pepper, we grind it. We have the seeds, so we grind it. Grind the live, please and thanks. Thumbs up the live. While you're on the live, thumbs up the live, please. This is Mr. Dash, alright? Okay, this is adobe. Adobe, a little bit salt, so we give the color a little flavor, you know? Alright, give it a stir now. Put everything together. Okay, alright, so now we're gonna get the callaloo inside. Just like that. I'm gonna give this one a little stir first. Sorry, my people. Black pepper is strong. Okay. Give it a stir. Put everything on top. Right. I'm just gonna take a little water, just a little water. I know it's still warm water, but you know, that's it. Get it covered. Okay. Yes, my people. That's how we need to keep the place clean while we go. Yeah. Steve, I don't know yet, my boy. It all depends on how it goes. I'm still watching, you know. So what is going on first, because it's all about my work, you know. I don't know. I'm going to give me that time. But I would like to be there, man. You know what I say? I mean, I'm the drama guy, you know, so I have to spice up the thing when I'm there. You know what I mean, people? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I have to spice up the thing. I like that still, you know? Hopefully everything go well and I can reach, you know what I mean, brother? I like to reach still. Nah, I like it. I like to reach, my brother. So everybody going December? Steve? Everybody going? All the guys them going? You know me have to be that Steve, I run at the Bible master still, you know? Me are the Bible master, you know? I know you don't, but then you know say I got dull. Everybody do it? Okay, nice. Brother, I try, man, I try. But I don't know if I get enough time. I don't think, you know. I don't get the time, bro. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, bossy. Try see if I can get a week. 1 week, man. I can't just go to Jamaica for 1 day and come back, bro. That's not nice. Give it a little stir, you know? Get some butter and that one, you know? Please join the live. Please join the live. Thumbs up the live. Please and thanks. Maybe I need a little salt and I should have tasted it. You know the seasoning salt still? Okay. Quite fine. Alright. Get the teapot on now. We'll line up. Line up my stuff, you know, me go deal with my tea. Yeah, my people, blessing again, you know. More love and respect to the audience, you know. Man, what is that? I beg you. Wow, that's it. What is not this? Join the live, people. Join the live. Sure, man. This paper, vanilla Alaska. Now you will see me chocolate tea. It's gonna sweeten my chocolate tea, alright? Okay. Get that spoon and rinse off. Dry it off. Then get in some chocolate in this. Okay. Oh, it smells good. Join the live, my people. Join the live, alright? Steve, I try my best, my boy. I try my best to make it. Hopefully everything go well. Man. Aye! The thing is wonderful. Nice. Nice. Thumbs up the live. Thumbs up the live while you come on. While you join the live, thumbs it up, please. And thank you. Alright? Thank you. If I see Ace Ventura people, thank you. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Steve know me I talk about Ace Ventura. Long out to make a thank you, people. Thank you. Somebody stop me. I'm just joking. That's me. Yeah. So big up to everyone who joined the live now. Big up to everyone. Enough respect. Yeah. Love. You don't know the thing go. Let me support each other. So the thing going on, me alone can't do it, you know. So we have to support each other. That's how it go. Thank you for supporting me. Alright. Thank you so much. Okay. Almost finished. Callaloo simmering down. Look at it. Beautiful. Get the tea up. Get everything ready. So you know it go. Time to eat. Yeah, so people, if you just joined the live, alright? Just fry some nice festival here. I mean, steaming some callaloo with some chocolate tea. That's for my breakfast, alright? I'm gonna get a plate, dish out some of it. Have it, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna look for the best dumpling to do it. That's it. Yep. These dumplings are very brown. I need them 1.5 still. I'm not craving it. Callaloo ready, you know, people. Callaloo ready like Freddy, you know what I mean? So guess what I go now? Yeah, I go set it up. Nice breakfast this morning, you know? This is nice. So get eat up. Look at the people. Look at it. I'm giving it 360. Beautiful, eh? Man, look at it. Lovely. Lovely. Nice breakfast this morning, alright? Wonderful breakfast. Ah, beautiful, eh? I'm gonna taste it. My hand I'm using. African style. Mm, beautiful. Mm, mm. Ah. I don't know if you guys go to Elsa, but it's Elsa Festival, I tell you. Nice, that's yeah. mm. Mm. Baby, I wish one of you guys was here to taste it. I think it's what I'm talking about. Wow. It is so nice. My God. Man. Oh my God. I'm waiting on the tea now. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Beautiful. Beautiful, me I tell you people. Mm. The callaloo, mild and nice. Ah. Mm, mm, mm. A dumpling. Yeah. Mm, mm. Join the live, people. Join the live, man. Mm, mm, mm. Too sweet to beat, man. Too sweet to beat. Mm, mm, mm. Brilliant, man. Brilliant, man. Them look nice food, they have to eat them look nice food. This is very good for you. The callaloo is very good, you know. The callaloo is very good, man. I tell you. Mm. Damn. Callaloo is very good, man. I tell you. Yeah, man. I give thanks again for the people who would up on the live and watch live, you know. Nice breakfast this morning. Big up yourself, bring this plate. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Thank you for joining the live. Don't know. And people who is on the live, please, whenever ring the plate, go a video, go and support her, right? Go a video and support her. Give her the show her the love, man. Yeah. Just all of us should just help each other. That's all I'm talking about. Help each other. Show all of us show each other love. That's it. And this world is gonna be a better place. Alright? So this is my food, right? I'm gonna get my tea now. Okay, the water is boiling up. I'm gonna throw the water inside this pot. This like cup here with the chocolate and the vanilla. Vanilla, let's go. Yes, my people. A little stir. Creamy and nicely, people. Look at it. Beautiful, you know? Then go ahead and do it. Nice and beautiful. There's my tea. Oh my God. Don't look like people, alright? Mmm. That's how we deal with rough, man. Mmm. 1700. One time, man, one time, not again. I could have eat 20 of these something. This is a little something. I could have eat 20, but my appetite grew out of me, you know? Mmm. I can't do it again, man. My appetite grew out. Beautiful people, you know? They just join the live, do some nice rice festival with some nice steamed callaloo, with some chocolate tea. Mm-mm. Too sweet to beat, people. Too sweet to beat. Mm. Mm-mm. Wonderful, naturally. Wonderful. Mm. Callaloo is good for breast cancer and people. We don't know that. You don't know that. Mm-mm. Yeah, man. Callaloo good for a lot of stuff in your body. Clean your blood. Purify your blood. Make your blood flow better. And give you more blood. Natural. This is organic callaloo, you know, this come from the backyard. We plant it. No fertilizer, nothing, just natural growings. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what it tastes? Fresh and nice. Tastes like, you know, something fresh. It tastes different from a bite of store, I tell you. Like organic. No preservative added. Straight from the side. No pesticide spray on it, none of that. Just like that, people. One time I could have eaten enough food, but now can't eat again. My appetite gone. Can't eat a lot of food anymore. One time I used to like, man, deal it very hard. Right now my tummy full. You don't ever can't anymore. Damn. Man. Nice. It is beautiful. You see what I'm doing, you know? So the rest of the day, I'm good. All I need for the rest of the day is some fruits and water. That's me. I'm good. I'm not gonna eat this food. I'll put them back. I got my gun. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Please thumbs up the like. Please subscribe, alright? Help me to reach the 1,000 subscribers. I'm close. Please, give me that support, alright? Help me to monetize people. Mm. Callaloo sauce and nice, me tell people. Mm. Huh? I don't use that name again, man. I have a bigger name on that now, bro. I have a bigger name on Punta now, man. All purpose kitchen. Alright? Punta was in the past, man. But now I'm advanced to all purpose kitchen, alright? Steve, leg of that name, man. Leg of that name, bro. That name is not good again. Throw the name there. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. If you just joined the live, I already finished preparing my breakfast. I fry some festival with some callaloo, okay, with some chocolate tea. I'm still having my chocolate tea, alright? So you guys just watch the video, thumbs up. You can see everything what I did. Okay? And you guys can send me just send me a dish where I can do. Send me a menu. Tell me to do something, man. I will try it, alright? Whatever you guys have in store, can put it in the description or the comments. You know? And I will try and do it. Okay? Send me a recipe. Okay? Steve, give me a recipe, man. Give me a recipe that I tried. Wonderful this morning. It's a beautiful morning, you know. I have to give God thanks for life again because we wake up and say this morning, you know. Many people don't wake up. You understand that many people wake up with problems. All the trouble in them life. And wake up with a lot of problems. But this morning I waked up free and loving. You know many people? I'm a free man. Nothing is on my conscience, nothing bothering me. I thank God for life. That's the greatest. Yeah. So all you people get up this morning, give thanks for life. Alright? That's the greatest. Tell the maker thanks for life. Put it to bed and then wake you up in the morning. That's very great, eh? My God. Because no one know when they fall asleep. No one can know when they fall asleep. You're there lying down and you don't know when you fall asleep. But you fall asleep. And yet still, you fall asleep, you don't know nothing. And yet still, you wake up in the morning. You can make night for sleep. You see what I say? When it come on to the night, you work right through the day and don't want to sleep. And when it come on to the night, it's like sleep is a must. Look how great it is. Remember, they make day and they make night. Okay? And check it out. You work right through the day, you don't feel no sleeping, you don't feel no way of sleeping. And as it's touching at the night, your body just break down. Time to sleep. When you fall asleep, you don't even know when you fall asleep. And you see, wake up in the morning, see, you have to give thanks. Who can do that? Only the Most High. Right? Only the Most High. Yeah. So I have to give him thanks at all time, you know? Yeah. Alright, people. Get them something and wash up back and let everything set. Put this in the microwave. Another day. Stove turn off. Yeah. Everything up. So my beautiful people, thank you all for watching, alright? Thank you all for joining me this morning while I'm showcasing my breakfast. I deal with some callaloo and festival, and that's very nice. And you guys can try it too. If you have callaloo, you can try that. You can try this. It's very nice. And as I tell you, callaloo is very good for you. Many countries may have it as a different name, but we know it in Jamaica as callaloo. Okay? So I don't know if some country will know it as a different know it a different name for it. Maybe don't understand callaloo. You know what I mean? But most people call it amaranth. Something like that. I think most people call it amaranth. Some country call it amaranth, like Africa. I think Africa call it amaranth. Yeah. I think so. It's very good, man. Circulate your blood, make your blood flow properly in your body. Yeah. Whatever inside of your blood and the toxic anything, it clean it out. That's callaloo. That's amaranth callaloo. Okay. Nice. Wow. We have a lot of rain. A lot of rain. From Tuesday until now. All rain. So I'm just home doing some video, right? After while I have the time, I have to do it because sometimes I don't have the time to make videos. I'm just trying to push out some videos as much as possible so you guys can be able to see. Okay? So please support the thing. Thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, tell somebody about it, you know. Touch the notification bell when I upload another video. You guys see it. You know, it just come straight to your phone. You understand? And maybe you can learn a thing or two too, because I do a lot of cooking, you know. That's my favorite. I love to cook. I do a lot of cooking. And sometimes I do some classical food, nice food. And maybe you guys that maybe want to try it out, so you can just watch the video and you see what I'm doing, and maybe you can try it out. Okay? So that is it. So please like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Thank you all for watching. And be safe now on the road. The road wet. If I don't know where you are, rain is falling or anything, but be safe. You know that is there mad people on the road, so take it easy. Watch the road carefully and drive properly, alright? And look out for each other. Okay? God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Okay?